Krishna's life is a perfect example of how one can embody both joy and wisdom in their lives. Today you will witness many different stories and leelas by Shri Krishna in the form of dance, drama, for which teachers and children have worked very hard. So please keep encouraging children with your thunderous claps before and after each performance. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Let's begin our beautiful evening by offering our prayers to Lord Ganesha and seek his blessings. Please welcome our tiny tots of Playgroup Daffodil and Playgroup Sunflower class who will share the stage with their parents for a wonderful Ganesh Vandana.
सेवा करू काय जाणे अन्याय माझे कोट्यान कोटी मोरेश्वरा बा तू घाल पोटी
शिव शंभू ही सुखावले डमरू बाप्पाच्या हाती दिले नाच नाच म्हणून खुणावले
कडाळले धडाळले डमरू डम डम बाजे
डम 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 डमरू वाजे डमरूच्या तालावर बाप्पा नाचे
डम 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 डमरू वाजे हे डमरूच्या तालावर बाप्पा नाचे
तड 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 ताशा वाजे
ताशा वाजे हे तड 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 ताशा वाजे
ताशाच्या तालावर बाप्पा नाचे
ताशाच्या तालावर बाप्पा नाचे
डम 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 डमरू वाजे
हे डमरूच्या तालावर बाप्पा